What you see behind me are hundreds of dogs eating 1 ton of food just to illustrate their point. And that point is simple. Egypt is cheap. A 5-star luxury hotel is under 200 bucks. That is affordable. But when you go to the streets, it gets even more cheap. An entire McDonald's meal is $2. Another meal will cost you 50 cents. Eating with friends, that's $2. A tourist price souvenir, that's 20 cents. It's so cheap in Egypt that I can feed 600 of these dogs for 100 bucks. That's 13 cents to feed an animal. 13 cents. Egypt has only recently become this cheap, and some locals are not too happy about it. But if you're watching this from the United States, come visit Egypt. Trust me, it's worth it. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.